It was another busy morning on the island of Sodor, and Thomas had already found something to complain about.
I don't get it. What's wrong now? Every time I get a job, it's always the boring ones. Taking coaches, shunting trucks, waiting in sidings. I want something exciting.
Oh, here we go.
5 pounds says he'll regret saying that. Very funny.
Which, if you know Troublesome Trucks, is never a good sign.
Morning, everyone.
Wow, that's a long train.
I've been hauling these all morning.
Looks easy enough.
I wouldn't say that.
Fresh engine. He thinks we're easy. This is going to be brilliant.
I'm needed somewhere else. Thomas, would you mind taking these trucks to the goods yard?
Finally, a proper job.
Just remember, don't let the trucks tell you what to do.
They're only trucks.
Thomas had been on Sodor long enough to think he knew everything.
Honestly, how hard can pulling trucks be? Edward does it every day. Oi, behave yourselves.
Nah. Increase the chaos.
Whee! This is actually kind of fun.
I've got a bad feeling about this. Steady now. Nice and easy.
No.
What do you mean, no?
We're the captain now. No refunds. Full send.
Oh, why?
Go on. Faster. Maximum speed.
I'm not saying I predicted this, but I absolutely predicted this.
Stop pushing!
No. Maximum speed. No. Skill issue. Get good. Bro, this is like one of those Dream Man hunts. Don't let him escape. Go, go, go. Chat, is he cooked? Imagine using brakes.
It's now or never.
He's making a clutch play. No way he pulls this off. Last chance.
I'm alive?
Thomas. What? Exactly. Are you doing in my goods yard at the speed of a racing car?
Morning, sir.
The question is why you nearly delivered them through the buffers.
I was pushed.
I can see that.
Us? We'd never. He's making accusations.
Thomas. I've been running this railway for years. I've heard every excuse imaginable. The points moved. The brakes failed. The trucks made me do it. Actually, that last one is usually true. You've been pulling trucks for roughly 10 minutes. And in that time, you've managed to terrify the station staff, alarm Gordon, and create enough paperwork to keep my office busy all afternoon. I asked Edward to deliver the trucks. I wasn't expecting the trucks to deliver you.
I know.
Edward doesn't manage trucks because he's stronger. He manages them because he never falls for their tricks.
I suppose I got a bit overconfident.
A bit? You were acting like you'd unlocked expert mode. After a few weeks, you'll know those trucks as well as Edward. And when that day comes, you'll be a really useful engine.
I think I'll stick to coaches tomorrow.
See you Monday. You'll be back. We always win.
And that's why you never underestimate Troublesome Trucks.
So, same thing tomorrow? Definitely. Definitely.